birthday, Mami! Ang tawag dito, mother ko, laging wala yan, nag-work. Single parents kasi siya. And then,
bali, maliliit kami. Nagtrabaho ng nanay ko sa ibang bansa sa London. 7 years old akong iniwan. Nagpunta na sa London.
So, we grew up without her. Ngayon na lang kami magkakasama. Pero kahit na malayo siya, and feel namin yung love niya, the sacrifice that ginawa niya para sa amin.
We are all gathered here to celebrate the 90th birthday of my grandmom. So, let's enjoy the occasion and buon divertimento. Thank you so much and grazie mille.
Happy birthday, Mami Fidela. Masaya po kami at nakarating kami sa birthday ninyo ngayon sa pamamagitan ng kaibigan namin si Amy. Sana ahaba pang buhay ninyo para meron din kaming birthday na aatinan sa susunod na taon. Okay? Happy birthday, Mami.
Life lesson, ano ba yan? Para siya naging model ng buhay ko. Yung hirap, paano you tackle it and you survive. A strong mother. Very strong character. Talagang lalaban siya sa lahat ng hirap. Mataguyod lang kami mga anak niya. Ganun din, ang yun ang nakuha ko na ibinigay ko din sa mga bata.
Ang nanay ko, talagang mabait siya, talagang nagsakripisyo sa lahat-lahat. Ang masasabi ko lang na talagang the best talaga ang nanay ko.
Open your eyes to golden light. There's a world of wonder painted in the sky. What a beautiful
Ladies, gentlemen, again, I'd like to humbly ask all of you to please put your hands together as we welcome the one, the only Fidela on her 90th birthday celebration.
It's just the beginning.
Happy birthday, Lola Inang. We love you.
Happy 90th birthday, Lola Inang. We love you.
Happy 90th birthday, Lola Inang. We love you.
Happy 90th birthday, Lola Inang. We love you.
Happy birthday, Inang. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Inang. We love you.
It's just the beginning.
Lola, happy 90th birthday. Thank you for your unconditional love to us. I wish you all many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Lola. We love you. Wishing more birthday to come. Sana pagdating namin, pag bumalik kami ulit, nandiyan ka pa.
Yeah, I wish you the best. I'm glad naabot niya yung night. My mother just died last April, so mag-1 year siya sa 27. I'm glad naabot niya yung 90. My mother died at 96.
Happy birthday, Inang. All the best. Enjoy your natal day. And I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Inang! Oh, Stay young and love you much.
Thank you for the kindness and love na binibigay mo sa family mo and also to your friends. Wishing you more years to come and good health. We love you. Happy birthday.